My dear students, in corporate accounting, today I am giving the most important theory questions from bank accounts and life insurance company accounts and at a overall glance. See, in bank accounts, you will get a question like what are non-performing assets. Actually, banks will go on giving loans. If any loan or interest is outstanding for more than 90 days, that is said to be non-performing assets. In case of non-performing assets, my dear student, the bank has to make a provision for bad debts. Okay, there are three kinds of non-performing assets like substandard assets, doubtful assets, and loss assets. Okay, you have to prepare this. Then second important question is slip system of posting or accounting. Banks will follow slip system. This is a part of double entry. There will be various kinds of slips in the bank like pay-in slip, withdrawal slip or something. By seeing the slip, the accountant will directly post the amounts into the ledger accounts. This will enable simplifying the double entry accounting system in the banks. Then third one is like rebate on bills discounted. The banks will discount the bills. Okay, if any discount is received in advance, that is said to be rebate on bills discount. Then my dear students, statutory reserve. Every bank has to transfer 25% of their current year net profit to a mandatory reserve, that is said to be statutory reserve. The calculation should be done in appropriations. You can see in profit and loss account, you can see this is the profit and loss account of the bank. Have you seen? Learn the pro forma of profit and loss account. This is most important. And my dear students, sometimes they will give provision for income tax as a percentage. For example, if it is given as 55%, first you need to prepare schedules, schedule number 13, 14, less 15, 16 and provision for bad debts and bad debts. You will get profit before tax. On that you need to calculate. Okay, now important theory of life insurance company accounts. So like reserve for unexpired risk. Reserve for unexpired risk is maintained by general insurance companies. Generally, general insurance policies will be for 1 year. So whatever premium that they receive, they cannot treat them as a income. So in case of fire insurance business, 50% of the premium will be transferred to reserve for unexpired risk. In case of marine insurance, it is 100%. Okay, then premium is a income received by the life insurance company. Reinsurance premium means whatever premium paid by one insurance company to the another insurance company, means doing of the business by one insurance company with another insurance company is known as reinsurance business. Annuities are nothing but annual payments. These are the different kinds of policies, like these are similar to pension policies. There is no need to pay every year for getting an annuity policy. At a time you can deposit certain amount. For these services, the insurance company will charge certain amount, that is known as consideration for annuities granted. And my dear students, you have to prepare the differences between life and non-life insurance. Then memorandum of trading account. Then average clause. Write the pro forma of revenue account and balance sheet of life insurance companies. These are all important questions only. Don't ignore. Prepare well. Please prepare well for the exams, my dear students. Make use of these questions. Make use of these important questions. Whenever required, I am giving you the pro formas also. Now you will see the pro forma of bank balance sheet. Sometimes they will give all the schedules, just you should go on posting. Make use of the class. Write well, prepare theory also. Sometimes you may get theory questions also in corporate accounting. Sometimes you may get theory questions also. I wish all the best.